Good morning. We are looking in the western view on our Storm Team Skycam network here in Fargo at some rainy roads. We've had some drizzle, some heavier rain at times. Of course, this all started up yesterday with some strong winds too, and still dealing with that rain chance here for this morning and throughout the day. So it's a day to be prepared for some soggy weather, maybe some slushy streets because of places where we are getting some snow here this morning. And that's more likely in the Devil's Lake Basin and over to the east. In Grand Forks, we've got some rain coming down, kind of hard to make out, but you can see it here. This is East Grand Forks, the view of the Red River there. That's what we've been monitoring. We just got an update there. You can see at times we've got some rain moving by the screen. There we go. You can see some of that there. So again, raining in Grand Forks and East Grand Forks. And we also have a winter weather advisory for the valley this morning. That's how some areas are dealing with this system. We're dealing with some snow in Devil's Lake and Langdon, starting to ease up there a little bit, but this is in effect until 7 o'clock this morning. Out in the west, out in the red area, that's where we've got a winter storm warning in effect for those areas getting some snow out by Minot. So here's the overall view. You can see there's a wide area of a nice break in the action here in southeastern North Dakota, though Fargo's still getting some sprinkles and showers this morning. Basically, in the heart of the Red River Valley, where we've got a little lower elevation, that's where it's mainly been rain. A little higher up in elevation, that's where we've been getting some snow, or more likely to see some snow. So over into Lakes Country, and then back over to the west as well. And you can see there's some blue showing up in parts of Lakes Country this morning. Back over by Minot, of course, some heavier snow there heading west on Highway 2. Looks like we've got a little break in Devil's Lake, but you can see there's more development just to the south and west, and that's heading toward Carrington and may sweep back into that area over into Grand Forks County, especially on the western side of the county, more likely snow. In Grand Forks and East Grand Forks, we're getting that rain, and then some, of course, mixed precipitation and some snow into the east too. So just kind of a messy start to our morning. It's not really heavy. That's the good thing. There are some pockets that are a little bit more moderate or steady as far as rainfall or snow are concerned. And we've got the stronger winds up to the north, some gusts getting into the 20s there. So visibility, of course, as you would expect, down where we've got the precipitation. We've got a mile to about 3 miles visibility in those areas. Temperatures are ranging anywhere from right at freezing, Devil's Lake and over to the east, to 37 in Fargo and 36 in Grand Forks. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. You can see the snow and the rain more likely this morning up in the northern valley and over to the east. As we head into the noon hour, you can see this starts to transition more and more over to rainfall because temperatures are warming at that point in the day. We started to see more areas of green on the map as we head into the afternoon. Again, these are scattered, so there are going to be a lot of places that don't see much at all in precipitation today, and other places that might get hit several times with this moving through. So this is 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can see temperatures upper 30s to some mid 40s at that point in time, with still a bit of a breeze out of the north. And then heading into tonight, you can see those showers really start to dwindle down into the late night hours as the system finally pulls away and we start to see some quieting weather heading into tomorrow morning, though we may end up with a little bit more cloud cover again to start the day. And check out these temperatures below freezing, so it's still pretty chilly. Some frosty mornings here with some 20s to some low 30s. Here's a really cool shot today. Storm clouds over Stump Lake. Thanks, Virginia, for sharing that. And a look at your 7-day planner. Temperatures pretty cool here for the week, especially the first half of the week, with off and on chances for some rain. Today, a little snow mixed in with that. Tuesday, we may end up with a break. Wednesday, with some more rain chances. And then Friday and into Saturday, some more shots of rain possible for us. And that's also when we start to see our temperatures rise as we head toward and into the weekend. A look at our overall rainfall potential. This is through Friday evening. You could see that total, now this is all of these systems added up, we're looking at about a ½ inch of rain. So they're not major rainfall producers, but enough to be, of course, a nuisance, kind of make things a little dreary and bring us some soggy conditions at times. And again, maybe slushy this morning. If you've got a snowfall report, we'd love to hear from you.
Okay, and then we'll feel sorry for you.
Exactly.
Say a little prayer to get through the day. I'm just not ready for that. Thank you, Lisa.
It's time to get our golf gear ready to hit the courses, maybe if the rain stops or snow. But ahead, we'll just have some tips to make sure that you're ready for this year's golf season.